We're going to start our artwork using some Aboriginal symbols from the desert. These could be whatever you choose. I think usually it's very simple, maybe only 2 or 3 symbols, but they will take up the whole page. So I'm going to choose a colour and start with some of my symbols. I'm going to do a water hole, and I'm going to do a circle with another circle around it, another circle around it. And there isn't a precise number, maybe 2, 3, 4, but these are called concentric circles when you have circles around circles. A little bit different from a spiral. And then I think over here I'm going to do another water hole, and then I'm going to join them together. So I'm going to do circles around circles. They don't need to be exact, but keeping the distance around those lines as even as I can. And then I might choose a different colour or the same colour, and I'm going to do some water lines that will connect it. This one that I'm looking at is wavy, sometimes they're straight. Going slowly, so I'm trying to make sure that those waves are really good waves and not flattening out. See how that one started getting a bit flat? I like this wavy one more. And then I might put another symbol in over here to sort of fill this space. I want it to take up a lot of space. And this time I'm going to do the meeting place. So I might do a few smaller circles and the U shape of somebody sitting. So it's a little bit like a U, like a bubble U. And I might do another version of that over here. Okay, so now I've got 2 or 3 symbols in my page spread out, and now I'm going to fill my space with lines and patterns and designs. I'm going to outline, keeping the distance around those spaces. I'm going around each of the symbols with an even amount of space. You can change colours or you can keep it the same colour. So you might notice now that my lines are going to start running into each other. So you can choose how you can do that. You could outline like this. You can see where you've just started. Or you could also continue with that colour, bringing your line around the next symbol. So now I've filled the page with all those lines, I might think about if there's some extra gaps, whether I want to make any lines thicker or thinner. I'm thinking I might like to add in some lines in between because there's a lot of space in between these white lines. So there's my artwork, and I've used lots of lines, tried to keep an even distance around them and filled the whole page with colours and lines.